In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Canva Docs step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Canva Docs is a powerful writing tool inside Canva that lets you create beautifully formatted documents, reports, notes, and content without needing separate word processing software. If you're already using Canva for designs, this is a feature you definitely don't want to miss. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Now, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Once you're on the Canva homepage, log into your account using your email, Google, or Facebook login. After signing in, you'll land on the Canva home dashboard, where you can access all of Canva's tools. From here, look for the option called Docs and click on it to create a brand new document page. This will open a clean, blank Canva doc where you can start writing immediately. Now you can add any document or write-up of your choice. You can type directly into the page, paste text from somewhere else, or start building your content from scratch. To organize your document, click on your topic name or main heading text. Then click on the H1 option to apply Heading 1 settings, which is perfect for main titles. For subheadings, click on H2 to apply a smaller heading style that helps structure your content clearly. Next, select any text or paragraph you want to customize. For example, click on a word or sentence you want to emphasize. You can use the highlight option to make important text stand out. Simply click Highlight and choose a color you like. To change how your text looks, click on the Font option in the top toolbar. From here, you can select any font of your choice from Canva's font library. You can also increase or decrease the font size using the size controls until it looks just right. If you want to change the text color, click on the Text Color option and choose any color that fits your document style. You can also highlight text by clicking the Highlight Color button and selecting a highlight shade you prefer. For basic formatting, you can select text and click Bold to make it stronger, or remove boldness if it's already applied. You can also set text to italics if needed, or underline text using the Underline button. To adjust text placement, click on the Alignment option. This allows you to align text to the left, center, or right depending on your layout needs. For lists, you can click the List button to add bullet points or numbered lists, which is great for organizing information clearly. Canva Docs also includes advanced text settings, where you can fine-tune spacing and formatting. You can increase or decrease indentation based on how you want your content structured. Beyond text, you can also add elements like images, graphics, or icons by clicking on Elements and choosing what you need. If you want to upload your own files, click on Uploads to add images or documents from your computer. You can also click on Projects to access your previous designs and easily reuse content in your document. And that's it. That's how you can use Canva Docs efficiently to create clean, professional, and well-formatted documents all in one place. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Canva and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.